Hello, today we will guide you through how to find and recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams. If you've accidentally deleted a message in Teams and want to restore it, the good news is that this process is very quick, as long as the option is still available. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to look and what to click so you can recover the message with confidence. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams and making sure you're in the main app interface. If you're currently viewing a meeting or another section, that's okay. You just want to get oriented so you can move into your conversations area. Next, click on Chat in the left-hand navigation menu. This section contains your direct messages and chat history, so it's the place where deleted chat messages can usually be found, at least temporarily, after deletion. If you have several chats listed, take a moment to scan the panel and locate the conversation you need. Once you're in the chat area, click on the sample chat from the list on the left side. Opening the correct conversation is important because the deleted message and its recovery option will only appear inside the original chat thread where the deletion happened. Now look through the conversation for the deleted message. In Teams, a recently deleted message may still leave behind a placeholder or status indicator showing that a message was deleted. This is the key thing you're looking for. It helps confirm that you're in the right chat and that the message may still be recoverable. When you find that deleted message indicator, click Undo. This restores the deleted message back into the conversation. If the undo option is visible, it usually means the recovery is still available, so it's best to act as soon as possible. Once selected, the original message should reappear in the chat. If you don't see the undo option, it may mean too much time has passed or the message can no longer be restored from the chat interface. In that case, you may need to check whether your organization has retention or compliance tools in place, but for the standard user experience, the undo option is the main way to recover a deleted message. And that's it. By going to chat, opening the correct conversation, locating the deleted message marker, and selecting undo, you can quickly recover a message in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped make the process simple and clear.